Light in our home, shining so bright, following truth, choosing what's right.
Mom, catch me.
It's a beautiful evening.
It's very beautiful evening and I love to walk with you. Mom, why do people do things they know are wrong?
That's a big question. What made you think about that?
I don't know. Sometimes I know I shouldn't get angry or lie, but something inside me pushes me to do it.
Normal to feel that. Shaitan is our big enemy, because he wants people to forget what's right.
Does he control me?
No, he only suggests. The choice is always yours.
So how does he trick us? Oh, I understand it. He's very clever with emotions. For example, when you are angry, he might whisper, "Say something mean. It will make you feel better." Or when you are sad, he might say, "No one cares about you."
Shaitan often tries to make small things seem big, like turning a small mistake into, "I'm a bad person." But you're not your mistakes.
So, Shaitan tries to confuse us?
Yes, my little one, confuse, rush, and distract. But you have something more powerful. Your mind, your heart, and your ability to choose. Also learn. Ask for forgiveness and try for right way. In a quiet home, under a sky full of stars, a beautiful conversation is about to begin.
Baba, Mama, look at what I drew.
Wow.
It was a peaceful evening. A family sat together, sharing dinner and smiles.
Mama, Baba, if I pray all 5 salah every day, will Allah give me this toy? And if I was really nice to everyone, will He definitely give it to me?
Of course, my dear.
My dear, making dua is not like making a deal.
We do not worship Allah like a trade. Ya Allah, I do this, so you give me that?
Allah loves when we pray, not because we want something back,
But because we love Him and we trust Him.
So, I should not ask for toys?
You can ask Allah for anything, even a toy.
But we don't expect it like a transaction.
Sometimes Allah gives, you're sure He gives later?
And sometimes He gives something even better. We pray and do good, not just to get something.
So, I should pray because I love Allah?
Yes. A heart that turns to Allah, not for trade, but
Can I draw on this after?
yes.
Islam is not a transaction. It is a journey to Allah. Make dua with love, trust, and sincerity.
Like and subscribe for more videos.